Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Jugaad. Desi Jugaad is all about finding clever, low-cost solutions using things you already have around. It's a fantastic way to be resourceful and solve everyday problems with a bit of creativity. Think of it as repurposing common items to serve entirely new functions, making life a little easier and more efficient without spending much money. It's a truly ingenious approach. First, pinpoint the exact problem you want to solve. What small inconvenience can you fix? Next, take a good look around your home for potential materials. You'd be surprised what you can repurpose. Think about items like empty plastic bottles, old clothes, or even sturdy cardboard boxes. These everyday objects are often the perfect starting point for your next clever invention, offering endless possibilities for creative solutions. Let's explore some easy examples. You can quickly make a phone stand from a piece of cardboard, perfect for hands-free viewing. Another great idea is to turn an empty plastic bottle into a watering can by simply poking a few small holes in its cap. Or, with just a few cuts, an old t-shirt can become a handy reusable shopping bag. These simple projects demonstrate the core of Jugaad. When making your own Jugaad, remember a few key tips. Always prioritize safety. Ensure your chosen materials and modifications are secure. Test your creation thoroughly to confirm it functions exactly as intended. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity flow. The best Jugaad often comes from trying new things and thinking outside the box, leading to truly unique and effective solutions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.